What's going on, guys? In this episode of Should I Invest, we're going to be talking about ABBV. This is a name that you guys have requested on multiple times, so we're going to go ahead and dive right into it. But before I do so, make sure you guys go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, and make sure you get your free copy of MarketSmith. This one time only, no credit card required. The link is in the description. Make sure you get yours today before that deal ends. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right in. I got my great MarketSmith tool that's going to tell us everything we need to know, and I also have our handy dandy Excel sheet that'll tell us if this is a pass or fail. And of course, I got Yahoo Finance ready to go so we can check some of the financials. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and bring our Excel sheet here. ABBV, we're going to plug that in right here, and it's going to give us a few numbers. All right, we can see right away EPS is green and PE is red. So let's go ahead and really quickly look at return on equity, which we're going to see right here. Return on equity is 151. Interesting to see that. This is pretty significantly big number. It's probably one of the biggest we've seen since we've started this Excel sheet. So 151%, really interesting to see there. All right, now let's go and look at total debt. All right, so remember, we need to see Yahoo Finance. We're going to check the balance sheet. We're going to look at total debt. All right, so total liability, we got 121.5. We're going to go ahead and plug that here. And then total assets, we got 138. So this right here is going to be a positive number, which is great to see. So right away, a great start here. Let's look at current assets. All right, so we're going to look at current assets. Current assets is currently sitting at 28. All right, and then current debt, we're going to come back and look at current liabilities, which is right here. Excellent. So this right here, the current aspect is a little shy. It's a red, but it's not by much. All right, so I'm sure they can come up with a difference here, but you want to see this at least above 1, right? So we're shy just a little bit here. Now we're going to look at operating income. So we're going to do that. We're going to go to income statement. We're going to look at operating income, and we're going to plug that here. Next, we're going to look at total revenue. All right, we're going to plug that here, and we got a positive number. So everything's looking good here. Now let's go over and look at, to be honest, I'm kind of surprised. Did not think this was going to be a pretty impressive name here, but let's look at the cash flow. Okay, we're going to go to cash flow here, and we're going to see if it's increasing or decreasing. So 12, 16, 21, 24. Oh my. So another surprise here as well. Right away, we have a pass unless something happens in these last two columns here. Now we want to see how much management owns. This is always interesting to see. So to come down here, we're going to look at this number right here. Management owns 1%, which is a pretty good standard across the board here. And then our fund increasing or decreasing. And to do that, we're going to come right here and look at this number right here. And let's take a look. We have 36, 37, 39, 419, 410, 417, 416, 417. So I think on an overall aspect, it is increasing with a few adjustments here, but it's kept steady at around 41, right? So I think here we're going to put an increase, but I think even if we put decrease here, this should still be a pass. You can see right there. So excuse me, this one last figure doesn't really matter. So a strong pass here on ABBV. Really interesting to see. So let's go ahead and look at the chart now. So you can see it's been giving us a nice consolidation right here. You have pretty good steady support at 130 and steady resistance at around that 170 to 172 area. So if you can maybe start a position in between this area, maybe 1/5 of your position, and then if it pulls back to the 112, 100 level, could be another area. But really good, sitting close to its 52-week high. It's about 8% off of the 52-week high. So a solid name that's been steady moving up here. Very interesting. Definitely something I will do more research on and possibly see if it's something that will continue going. All right, so if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and comment down below what stock you want me to do next, and I'll be more than happy to do so. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.